What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, the Momanyi channel. Yeah, so today I want to go out to plow the snow, plowing the snow with my grandma. I've not told her that, but hopefully she's going to accept that we go plow the snow outside. Yes, so guys, do I look pretty? I'm just kidding. That's not part of the video. So I'm going to my room. I'm going to change. I'm going to change in my room. Yeah, guys, so I'm in my room. I'm going to change so that we can go out, plow the snow. Yeah, so give me some time, like 10 to 8 minutes, and then I get back. Yeah, so I've told my grandma that we are going out and she accepted. So guys, she has gone downstairs and I have a prank for her. I've not told her anything. So we are going out. We are going out. We're going to play with the snow, and then all of a sudden I'll fall down and pretend that I'm hurt and I really feel so bad. So I don't know how she's going to react. But we have the icy balm. We are going, so that I think that's what she's going to use to apply on my leg. Oh my god. I don't know how she's going to react, but I planned this prank so that I can prank my dad and grandma, but dad went out. I planned it from yesterday, but I never knew that dad was going out, so he has gone. This one is for grandma. I want to see her reaction. I can't wait to hear more of Kissy. So, guys, I'm dressed. I'm wearing two pants, and I have my gloves here. Can't wait to prank her. She's coming. I think she's coming from downstairs. She has gone to change, so let's wait for her. Yes. Sure, long. Ungevaa long. Look at long. Ndio utasikia baridi. Bwana. Going to see how she's going to react. Can't wait. So, as for me, I'm done. I'm done. Oh. So, guys, this is how I look. Let's wait for her then. We get to eat. Yeah, guys, so she's here. Say hi, Grandma. Say hi. Yeah, that's how she's dressed.
Where is he?
They are going to see you. So just chill, Grandma, chill. Go where you are. Go where you are. Go wear your boots as we go out. So guys, we are going out. It's very, very cold. And yeah, so guys, this is the snow. We don't have the gloves for snow, Grandma. I'm just showing you how it looks around. That's the car, but the snow has covered the car. And it's very cold. Oh my goodness. I'm freezing. Yeah, guys, so this is how it looks. Grandma is coming from there. I just want us to plow this part where there is snow. We are going to plow this one. That's the garage. We are going to plow here. We're going to plow here. Oh my God. I'm not seeing her. I don't know where she is, but let's be patient and wait for her. I think she's coming. She has gone to bring her gloves. That's a heap of snow outside. I'm waiting. I can see the sun, but still cold. She's here. So, Grandma, we are going to plow that part. Guys, you can see smoke coming from my mouth. Yeah, guys, so Grandma is plowing here. Good job. Good job. Oh my God, good job. Oh. Yeah, that one is better. Move that one. Wow. Guys, it's very cold outside here. We're just risking take this video, but Grandma, you enjoying? Go there. Oh my. Guys, here is Grandma. We're walking on the ice. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's very cold. Oh, your mask? Oh my goodness. Oh, look here, guys. That's snow, and we are just risking going to this place, but we are just enjoying. Oh my God! Ntakwama kwa snow. No, it's a no from me. It's very cold. It's very cold outside. Till my phone shut down. I can't believe this. Simu yangu imezima kabisa. Oh my God, thanks guys for watching. Please subscribe, comment, like, share the video, and next time I'm not gonna risk go out. I just can't risk go out.